way that good faithfulness and God is the outlet, not so. So Father, thank you for the day that you did. And I have to put a whole week of 5 weeks now. I know it can last. It will have other things to do. Four, 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 4 weeks is a lot. Third time next to learn this buddy. Buddy is my dog. You'll be able to see him then me too. I get to picture when you don't have. And we have a cat named Dottie. He also keeps up. He will also feel. I have a brother, another, and I got my house. Then you'll be able to see my husband. Then you'll be able to see everyone else. Okay. Yep. So, she's your 8 weeks. Did you know that I can read minds? Yeah, I can read minds and I can pick the future in my sleep and be definitely going home. And then that future is not the earth until you